Diksha, CLEP Mathematics Training Course 1 Quiz Answers. Understanding the Philosophy of New Textbooks. Andhra Pradesh Primary Teachers Training Course 1 to 5th classes. CLEP Maths Quiz. When should we use workbook? Before the commencement of the topic, middle of the teaching learning process, after the completion of the teaching, any time. After the completion of the teaching is the right answer. Which of the following is used to prepare the children for learning? Greeting, warm-up activity, evaluation, problem solving. Warm-up activity is the right answer. By which of the following step the students will recall his prior knowledge? Warm-up activity, mind map, presentation, recapitulation. Mind map is the right answer. All the workbook activities are related to whole class, group, individual, above the all. Individual is the right answer. Projects and math lab activity are part of teaching, assessment, presentation, practicing skill. Practicing skill is the right answer. Evaluation help us in determining the level of learning of pupils so that proper learning experience may be created. Planning the lesson, keeping in view the levels attains the students. Differentiating the students between weak and intelligent students, slow and fast learners, and their interest in the subject. All the above mentioned factors help us in improving the quality of teaching. All the above mentioned factors help us in improving the quality of teaching is the right answer. For how many marks slip test should be conducted? 20 marks, 50 marks, 10 marks, not restricted. 20 is the right answer. Number of units in 4th class mathematics textbook are 18, 19, 10, 9. 10 is the right answer. The nature of the mathematics is ornamental, abstract, logical, abstract and logical. Abstract and logical is the right answer. Students are mostly likely to be intrinsically motivated to learn and master mathematical. Know that they will be tested on their understanding of the content in the near future. Believe that the work they are doing is interesting and relates to their own lives. Perceive that their performance compares favorably with that of peers engaged in the same tasks. Anticipate that they will receive positive reinforcement for achieving instructional objectives. Believe that the work they are doing is interesting and relates to their own lives is the right answer. Total questions 10, answered question 10. Our score is 10 by 10. Thank you for watching. మా ఛానల్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఆల్ అని ప్రెస్ చేసి ఇన్స్టెంట్గా వచ్చే నోటిఫికేషన్ పొందండి.